Good morning, and thank you for tuning in to your Wallops weather briefing for Tuesday, September 19th. We are seeing some light scattered rain showers out there this morning associated with the extreme outer rain bands of Hurricane Jose, which is located due east of the Chesapeake Bay Inlet, about 200 nautical miles due east. And it is going to continue to slowly migrate north and northeastward away from the mid-Atlantic coast as we go into today and through tomorrow. Taking a look at our conditions across the region from yesterday, we did see a seasonable day for many locations with temperatures hovering at or just below 80 degrees yesterday. The cooler spots were Baltimore and Ocean City, which were only in the mid-70s. Lows this morning were also pretty similar across the entire mid-Atlantic, with lows hovering around 70 degrees for all locations, cooler spots being Baltimore at Richmond at 67. We were seeing some measurable rain already early this morning from those scattered showers associated with Jose, and some of that rain did fall yesterday afternoon as well, with most locations receiving a few hundredths of an inch. Norfolk has received the most so far at just under a quarter of an inch, and as of 9 a.m. we are seeing temperatures in the low 70s for all locations under cloudy to mostly cloudy skies, with isolated to scattered light rain showers being reported. Taking a look at our sounding from this morning, we are seeing some windier conditions just above the surface than we did yesterday, as we are getting those slight effects from Hurricane Jose off to the east. We are seeing northeasterly winds across the entire column up to 25,000 feet this morning, with the maximum being 51 knots at 3,000 feet. And then we see winds drop off slightly just above that to around 40 knots at 6,000 feet, and then around 25 knots from the 9,000 to 20,000 foot level. And then winds are getting pretty weak as we get to the 25,000 foot level, only around 15 knots. We are seeing a freezing level this morning between 14,000 and 15,000 feet. Taking a quick look at our satellite here, you can see we have Hurricane Jose just about 200 nautical miles due east of the area this morning, and it is still being classified as a Category 1 hurricane, as there is still some decent convection being fired near the center of the storm. And it is still a warm core storm. It has not transitioned yet into an extratropical storm, but that does look like it is going to happen by the week's end as it continues to weaken and moves off to the northeast. And today should be really the only day that we see any effects from this system, as skies are going to clear out by late tomorrow morning or tomorrow afternoon. Taking a look at our satellite radar loop across the area, we are seeing some rain across the entire Delmarva Peninsula associated with those extreme outer rain bands from Hurricane Jose, and we can expect to see light scattered rain showers through the entire workday today and into early this evening, and we expect those rain showers to end by around 10 p.m. tonight. And we are starting to see those winds pick up from the north as well, mainly along the immediate coast. We do expect wind gusts to be around 30 to 35 miles per hour as we go into the late morning to early afternoon hours. Most likely, those wind gusts will be confined to the immediate coastline and the island, with wind gusts being slightly less here on the main base. So taking a look at our forecast charts here, we can see by Tuesday midday that hurricane is still going to be about due east of the area by about 200 to 250 nautical miles, and it is going to be slowly moving off to the northeast as we go into tonight. As we move into tonight, we're going to see those rain showers end across the area. Still, skies still remaining cloudy though as we go into Wednesday morning, and then that's when we should start to see those clouds slowly clear out as we go into the Wednesday afternoon time frame, with skies becoming partly cloudy as that storm moves well off northeast of the area. We are going to then be having some high pressure build in across the mid-Atlantic starting Wednesday afternoon, which will help keep those skies mostly clear to partly cloudy as we go through the remainder of the week. And we are going to really not see a whole lot of change in the forecast as we go into late Wednesday and through the weekend. Taking a look at our weather hazards today, we are going to be looking at a definite chance of rain as we go through the morning hours here, and we are going to be seeing then rain transition into more of a widely scattered to isolated variety as we go through the early evening hours through about 10 p.m. Winds should peak out between late this morning to early this afternoon, possibly gusting, like I said, to 30 to 35 miles per hour, mainly along the immediate coast. Wind gusts are expected to be slightly less than that here on the main base, and we are expecting a high temperature today in the mid-70s. Taking a look at our terminal forecast for today, we are going to be just looking at those ceilings hovering around 3,000 to 5,000 feet, dependent on if we're going to get some slightly more moderate rain showers or not throughout the day. But we are expecting that overcast deck to remain between those two levels as we go into tonight as well. Rain showers will be tapering off after sunset, and we do expect rain chances to be diminished after the 10 p.m. hour tonight, with skies remaining cloudy throughout the overnight hours and that ceiling remaining around 5,000 to 8,000 feet. By the time we get into just after sunrise tomorrow morning, we are going to start to see those clouds break up just a little bit. Ceiling still around 5,000 to 12,000 feet, but we are going to start to see some sun breaks by mid to late morning tomorrow. And tides are 1 to 2 feet above normal as we are experiencing some higher surf associated with Hurricane Jose. Taking a look at our 3-day forecast here, tomorrow we're going to start the day off mostly cloudy, and then skies will slowly become partly cloudy as we go into the afternoon hours. It is going to be warm though, with an unseasonably warm high of 84 degrees. By Wednesday night, we're going to be back to some mild weather across the area with a low of 68 and under partly cloudy skies, and Thursday is also going to be just partly cloudy with another fairly warm day around with a high of 83 degrees with no threat of precipitation or breezy winds through the remainder of the week. Taking a look at our 7-day forecast here. Today is going to be a bit cooler due to that strong onshore flow and abundant cloud cover as well as the rain showers with a high of 75 degrees. Going to be just seeing scattered light rain showers throughout the day, not looking at a whole lot of accumulation, likely looking around 1/4 inch of rain as we go through the end of today. Tomorrow we are going to start to see that nice warm up with some very beautiful conditions expected through the rest of the week and into the weekend. High, as you can see here, the temperatures are going to be pretty consistent day by day. Temperatures remaining in the low to mid 80s for each day from tomorrow through Monday under partly cloudy skies, and lows are also expected to be in the mid 60s for each morning. That'll do it for your daily weather briefing. We'll be back tomorrow morning at 8:15 a.m. for your operations brief and at 10 a.m. for your full weather briefing. Have a nice day.